In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Windows Start button is not working. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to open the Task Manager. So you need to look at your keyboard and press Control plus Shift plus Escape key together. Control plus Shift plus Escape key together to open the Task Manager window. Maximize it. Then in the search bar, simply type Explorer. Okay. You'll find Windows Explorer. Now what you can do is you need to make a right click and then select restart. Okay, right click and then select the restart option. And then for the next method, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Here you need to type msconfig, hit enter. Then the system configuration window will appear from here. Now click on the boot tab. So we are going to enable safe boot through network. Okay. So check the option safe boot and then network. Choose network. Then you have to click on apply and click on OK. And after that, you need to restart your Windows. So once you have restarted your Windows, you need to again open the system configuration window. Again, once you have restarted your Windows, you need to open again system configuration window and click on the boot tab. Now here you need to uncheck the option safe boot and then click on apply, click on OK, and then you need to restart your Windows again afterwards. Okay, for the next method, you need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Now on the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then here you need to simply type sfc space / scan now. Hit enter. So this will scan for and fix any system corrupted files and will also fix the issue for you. So you just need to run this command and wait for the process to be 100% completed. Once this is completed, you just need to simply close this and then restart your Windows. So on how you can restart your Windows without the start button, well, it's just very easy. You just need to simply press Control X on keyboard. Again, Control X on keyboard or Windows key and X key together, okay? It's Windows key and X key together, and then you'll find here shutdown or sign out and restart your Windows. Again, it's Windows key and X key together, or just simply press Windows key and then you'll find the power button. Make a right click and then select restart. And for the final method, we have to press the Windows key on keyboard and click on settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to look for System. Scroll down and you'll find Recovery. Now here you'll find the option Reset this PC. Click on Reset PC. But you can only do this option once the first options or first solutions didn't work for you. So you have to choose your option from here. Keep my files or remove everything. It's up to you as to how would you like to perform it. Now let's go with keep my files. And you can go with cloud download if you are connected to an internet connection, but if not, you can go with local reinstall and just click any of this and that will reset your PC. So you just need to wait for the process to be done. Okay, so that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.